अलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों और प्यारे बच्चों के साथ जो बड़े देख रहे हैं वो भी। आज देखें मेरे साथ कौन है? अशर और अशर और नाया। आज अशर और नाया हमारे साथ रीडिंग करेंगे, कितना मजा आएगा ना। अच्छा, the book that we're going to read today is called The Three Billy Goats Gruff. And this is a book that is whose favorite? Yes, we love this book. The one that we have is by Ladybird Tales and it was retold by Vera Southgate. ठीक है? इस वाली बुक पे बहुत प्यारा सा नोट भी है क्योंकि ये वाली बुक अनाया को उसकी खाला ने दी थी as a gift on her birthday. On your birthday, right? Yeah. Start. Once upon a time.
It is scary.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah.
So you have to be brave, okay? Naya says it's scary.
Remember about the troll?
I remember about the troll, yeah, but we won't tell them yet, okay? Let it be a surprise for them. Once upon a time, there were three billy goats called Gruff. One fine day, the three billy goats Gruff set off up the hillside. They were going to look for some sweet grass to eat. You know what goats love to eat? Grass. Goats love to eat grass. So the three billy goats Gruff decided to go up the hill. On the way up the hillside, the three billy goats Gruff came to a river. On the other side of the river was a beautiful meadow. Meadow कहते हैं बड़े सारे field को जिसमें बहुत अच्छी सी green grass होती है.
Yeah, a big field.
A big field.
But it isn't like outside houses. It's like outside villages.
Right. In the meadow was the finest grass they had ever seen. So this is the side that the three billy goats Gruff are standing on and they need to cross the river to go on to the green side. Look, this side is greener than this side. Hai na? And they want to eat this yummy, yummy, yummy sweet grass. So let's see what they will do next. There was a wooden bridge over the river, but under the bridge there lived an ugly troll. That's the troll. And that's the bridge. यानी रिफ्लेक्शन बड़ी ना है इसलिए मैं ऐसे करके दिखा रही हूँ आपको मैं दिखाती हूँ अभी clearly ठीक है this is the river
I can see it.
This is the side that the goats are on and this is the side that they want to get on so they need to cross the river but who's under the river? Who's under the river?
Troll.
Is he a friendly troll?
No.
He's an ugly, mean, nasty troll, right?
Do that.
Are you scared that Mama will turn into a troll? I won't, don't worry. You know that. Every time he heard footsteps on the bridge, he popped out and gobbled up the person who was trying to cross. He ate the person. So the goats didn't want to get eaten. You don't want them to get eaten either, do you? No. Let's find out what happens. The three billy goats Gruff were very frightened at the thought of the troll. Yet they longed to eat the sweet grass in the meadow on the other side of the river. Long to का क्या मतलब होता है उनका बहुत दिल करता था. So they were scared of the troll and they didn't want to get eaten up, but they also really wanted to eat the grass. After a while, the youngest billy goat Gruff said that he would be the first to try and cross the bridge. So सबसे छोटा वाला सबसे bravest था. The youngest billy goat Gruff said he would try and cross the bridge. और ये देखो नीचे troll.
It's his reflection.
ठीक है? It's his reflection because he's hiding there under the river. Good job. Under the bridge. Good job, Naya. Trip, trap went the hooves of the youngest billy goat Gruff on the wooden bridge. Out popped the troll's ugly head. He was so ugly that the youngest billy goat Gruff nearly fell down with fright. ठीक है? Trip, trap. ऐसे चल रहा था ना? Youngest billy goat Gruff. And he nearly fell down with fright. So the youngest billy goat Gruff was scared of the troll. Did he run away? Did he start screaming? Did he start crying? Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? Roared the troll. The youngest billy goat Gruff spoke in a tiny voice. It's only me, the littlest billy goat Gruff. he said. I'm going to the meadow to eat the sweet grass. Look, that's the big troll roaring at the youngest billy goat Gruff. And the youngest billy goat Gruff says, it's only just me. मुझे खाना नहीं, मैं तो खाली घास खाने जा रहा हूँ.
No.
Then I'm coming to gobble you up, roared the troll. Oh no, please don't gobble me up, said the youngest billy goat Gruff in a tiny voice. I'm far too little and not at all tasty. Wait until the second billy goat Gruff comes along. He's much more tasty than I am. अब क्या कह रहा है littlest billy goat Gruff? कह रहा है मुझे ना खाओ, second billy goat Gruff को खा लेना. हैं? He says, don't eat me but eat my brother. That's okay. Who does that? But look, the troll is thinking. The troll is thinking, maybe I'll just listen to what this littlest billy goat Gruff is saying. Maybe it's not that bad an idea to wait. Very well, said the troll. Dekho, troll maan gaya. Be off with you. I'll wait until the second billy goat Gruff comes along. So the youngest billy goat Gruff crossed the bridge and skipped off into the meadow to eat the sweet grass. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Right? Was he happy?
Yeah.
Was he happy? Then the second billy goat Gruff said that he would try to cross the bridge. Now let's see. See, that's the second billy goat Gruff trying to cross the bridge, and that's the troll down there waiting to gobble him up. Now the troll didn't eat the first billy goat Gruff, so he must be hungry and he's waiting. Ab second billy goat Gruff आएगा तो मैं उसे खा जाऊंगा, है ना? Trip, trap, went the hooves of the second billy goat Gruff on the wooden bridge. Dug, 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 dug. Out popped the troll's ugly head. He was so ugly that the second billy goat Gruff nearly fell down with, with fright.
And to see.
Okay.
Can I see?
Yes, you can, but don't push the book down. देखो इतना डर गया बिली गोट Gruff. Saying, oh no, this troll looks scary and dangerous and ugly. Did he start screaming? Did he start crying? Did he run away? What did he do? He thought. He thought. The second billy goat Gruff thought कि मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं इससे बच जा. Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? Roared the troll. The second billy goat Gruff spoke in a rather soft voice. It's only me, the second billy goat Gruff, he said. I'm going to the meadow to eat the sweet grass. See that?
No.
Gently, Asher. Then I'm going to gobble you up, roared the troll. Oh no, please don't gobble me up, said the second billy goat Gruff in his rather soft voice. I'm not very tasty. I'm not very big, and I'm not very tasty. Wait until the third billy goat comes along. He's very big and very tasty. अब ये बात पहले बिली गोट Gruff की तो सुन ली थी ट्रोल ने, दूसरे की सुनेगा या नहीं सुनेगा? सुनेगा? सुन लेगा?
But maybe he will buff him in the water.
Who?
The billy goat Gruff.
Let's find out.
Mama, wait. Because can I drink some water?
Yes, of course. Jump here. Do you want me to wait or do you want me to read on?
Wait on.
Water break.
Don't read.
आपने पानी पीना तो आप भी पियो जल्दी से. चल, ready guys?
Ready on troll.
Okay. अब देखते हैं कि ट्रोल मानता है या नहीं मानता. Very well, said the troll. Be off with you. I'll wait until the third billy goat Gruff comes along. So the second billy goat Gruff crossed the bridge and skipped off into the meadow to eat the sweet
Grassy like the white one.
green grass. Like the white billy goat Gruff.
Yeah.
So both of the billy goat Gruffs are together. You're right, Asher. So the two billy goat Gruffs cross the bridge and they're on the green side now, right? They're eating the grass and they're in the meadow. But the third billy goat Gruff is still waiting to cross the bridge. So let's see what happens when the third billy goat Gruff comes to cross the bridge. Because now the troll has let 2 goats go. By the third goat, he's hungry. And now he's thinking, अब आ भी जाए third billy goat Gruff कि मैं उसको खा लूँ. भूख लग रही है ट्रोल को, है ना? ट्रोल इतनी देर से बैठ के वेट कर रहा है कि मैं खाना कैसे खाऊं. एक खाना भी भाग गया, दूसरा खाना भी भाग गया. अब ट्रोल कहता है, let me wait for the third meal, for the third goat, so I can make him my meal. Then at last, the eldest billy goat Gruff came up to try to cross the bridge. Now the third billy goat Gruff can't say, wait troll, there's a fourth billy goat Gruff, right? So let's find what he does. The third billy goat Gruff was a very big billy goat. His beard was long and his horns were almost fully grown. See that? He's a big billy goat Gruff. Those are his horns. Now the horns are fully grown when the goats are grown-up goats, when they're adults. Now these billy goat Gruffs are not grown-ups yet. They are still children. But the third billy goat Gruff is an older child. He's the eldest amongst all of them and also the strongest. Trip, trap, bang, bang, bang. Guess it?
Trip, trap, bang.
All right. Trip, trap, bang, bang, bang. When the hooves of the eldest billy goat Gruff on the wooden bridge. So the third billy goat Gruff is crossing the bridge while the troll is hiding and looking. The people who are watching the video, funny boy, dekh lo ab. They will be there when we put it up on YouTube.
They're just hiding.
They're hiding. Are you guys hiding? It's not like a video call. You can't see them right now. Out popped the troll's ugly head. He was so ugly that the eldest billy goat Gruff nearly fell down with fright. So even the eldest billy goat Gruff, the third billy goat Gruff, who was the biggest and the strongest, got scared. Like the other 2 billy goats Gruff. But if you pay attention, none of the billy goat Gruffs have run away yet. None of them have started crying. Let's see ye kya karta hai. He nearly fell down with fright, but he did not show it. He only stamped his hooves harder.
Trip, trap, trip.
Bang, bang, bang.
Bang, 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 bang. I'm the loudest of them all.
You are. You should be the 4th billy goat Gruff. The troll is standing there saying, oh, maybe you should be the 5th one. The troll is standing there saying, aa jao bachchu, main tumhe khaun. But the 3rd billy goat Gruff is just being really noisy and loud to show him that I'm not scared of you. But he was scared. He didn't show it, but he was. Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? Roared the troll. The eldest billy goat Gruff's voice was even louder and gruffer than the troll's voice. It's me, the biggest billy goat Gruff, he bellowed. Usher, don't hit me. He bellowed. Bellow कहते हैं ऊंची आवाज में बात करना. Then I'm coming to gobble you up, roared the troll. Oh no, you're not, bellowed the eldest billy goat Gruff. I am coming to gobble you up. And he stamped his feet even louder. कैसे? Trip, trap, bang, bang, bang. जोर 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 से पाँव रखा. ठीक है? Dum, 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 dum. So he was showing the troll that he wasn't scared, right? Even though he was. But he was showing the troll that he was very, very brave. After that, the eldest billy goat Gruff butted the troll with his big horns. Butted कहते हैं इसे सर मारने को, ठीक है? इसे सर मारा उसने अपने horns के साथ और बिली गोट Gruff को पानी में गिरा दिया.
Not Billy Goat.
Sorry, troll को पानी में गिरा दिया. The ugly troll fell off the bridge head first into the deep water. There was a mighty splash and the troll disappeared, never to be seen again. So that was the end of the ugly troll. From that time on, people went over the bridge without fear. Never again did the troll pop his head out from under the bridge to roar, "Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge?" See? That's a family. They're crossing over the bridge peacefully and happily, going da-da-da-da-da, without the fear of the troll jumping out and gobbling them up. पहले तो troll सबको खा जाता था ना. The 3 billy goats Gruff lived happily ever after in the meadow on the hillside. They ate the sweet grass and they were never hungry again. 1, 2 and 3. Good? The end. अच्छा, हमने क्या सीखा इस story से? That it's okay to be scared, but what do? You don't run away. You don't start screaming. You don't start crying. You think. You think about what you do and then you get out of a scary situation. Had the first billy goat Gruff started standing there and crying, the troll would have... What would the troll have done? Ate him. But he thought, how do I get out of this tricky, scary situation? He thought, bahana bana leta hu, usko kehta hu, mujhe na khaye, second billy goat Gruff ko khaye. Did he really want the troll to eat his brother, the second billy goat Gruff? No. Did the first and second billy goat Gruffs want the troll to eat the third billy goat Gruff? No, but they knew that if they get out of it, then their elder brothers will save themselves. Yeah? So the first billy goat Gruff went out of the situation by tricking the troll. The second did the same thing, and the third one acted like he was even stronger and even braver and even bigger than the troll, so that the troll will not eat him. So if we're ever scared or if we're ever in a fix, then how do we get out of the fix? By being scared or by being brave? By being what? Brave. And by being strong. And we never let anybody who's nasty or mean scare us. If somebody is scary or mean, or they want to bully us and tell us they will gobble us up or they will hurt us, what do? We stand up for ourselves and we say, no, we are stronger. And if you want to be scary, we will be scary. So that's what we do. We stand up for ourselves and we are brave and we work as a team. The 3 of them got saved because they worked as a team, right? Thank you so much for joining us for this story session. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already to our Hey channel. And please join us again for the other stories. Bye-bye.